How do I see my purchase history on Temu? Hello everyone and let's get started. Temu application allows you to view different kinds of products and buy it. So for this, first of all you need to install the Temu app using the Play Store or App Store. After that, tap on the Temu app and log in with the credentials. Now on the bottom center you will see profile icon. Tap on it and there you have the section called as your orders. Here you can view all orders, processing list, shipped list, delivered and returns. To view the purchase history, you can go to the delivered section. Likewise, you can also check the returns list to check the items that you returned in the past. So this is how you can view your purchase history on the Temu application. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.